Welcome to my YouTube channel Regional North. Now we shall discuss about another major national political party like Bharatiya Janata Party. Now we shall discuss about history and origin of the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP. When the Bharatiya Janata Party was formed, how it is originated, we shall discuss in detail. The Bharatiya Janata Party had its origin as a successor of the old Bharatiya Janasangh or BJS, Bharatiya Janasangh. In 1951, several leaders of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh (RSS) and Hindu Mahasabha under leadership of Dr. Shyam Prasad Mukherjee formed the Bharatiya Janasangh. The BJP was officially founded in 1980 under political guidance and leadership of two of its most significant leaders, Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Sri Lal Krishna Advani. Both of them were members of the Bharatiya Janasangh (BJS) and the political wing of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, a nationalist cultural organization of independent India. After the emergency of in 1977, the Bharatiya Janasangh merged with several other parties to form the Janata Party. In 1977, the Janata Party registered a landslide victory and formed the government under Sri Morarji Desai leadership. However, with increasing internal factionalism and political chaos, the Janata Party collapsed in 1979. The Bharatiya Janata Party was formally formed on 6th April 1990, comprising members of the nucleus of Janata Party, with Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee as its first president. The election symbol of Bharatiya Janata Party from its inception, as approved by Election Commission of India, is lotus. Now we shall discuss about evolution and growth of Bharatiya Janata Party. Since its establishment in 1980, the BJP has been increasing its number of seats in Lok Sabha gradually. In 1984 general election, it secured only 2 seats. In 1989, the number of seats increased to 88. In 1991 general election, BJP's strength in Lok Sabha increased to 122, which rose to 161 in 1996 election. In 1998, it won 180 seats, and in 1999, its number in Lok Sabha increased to 182. In 1999 general election, BJP contested as an alliance partner in the National Democratic Alliance (NDA). In 2004 general election, BJP as an alliance of NDA could not get the required majority. The BJP formed the NDA under leadership of BJP formed government from 1998 to 2004. It played a role of opposition in 2004 and 2009 general election. The party won 282 seats in the 2014 general election under leadership of Sri Narendra Modi, and NDA got a total of 336 seats. On 26th May 2014, Narendra Modi became the Prime Minister of India. The Bharatiya Janata Party won 303 seats in 2019 election, further increasing this substantial majority. The party-led National Democratic Alliance won 353 seats. Narendra Modi became the Prime Minister for the second time. Since 2019 generation, the BJP became a pan-Indian party, having formed BJP-led and NDA government in majority of states in Indian Union. Now we shall discuss about the ideologies, policies and programs of Bharatiya Janata Party. And what are the ideologies of Bharatiya Janata Party or BJP? The ideology of BJP is based on the ideology of the Bharatiya Janata Sangh, which believes on one people and one culture. The ideological basis of the party was also shaped by its emotional affinity with the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh. The ideology of policy framework of BJP has also been changing from passage of time. The following are the ideology of Bharatiya Janata Party. First is the value-based politics. The BJP wants to build a strong and modern India by drawing inspiration from Indians' ancient culture and values. Secondly, cultural nationalism or Hindutva. The word Hindutva was coined by Savarkar. Is an important element in its conception of Indian nationhood and politics. The BJP is committed to the concept of one nation, one people and one culture. From this belief flows our faith in cultural nationalism, which is the core of the Hindutva. Next ideology is integral humanism, a concept which was enunciated or coined by Deen Dayal Upadhyay, the leader of the erstwhile BJS Bharatiya Sangh, and should henceforth be regarded as the basic philosophy of Bharatiya Janata Party. Next ideology is wants full territorial political integration of Jammu and Kashmir with India and withdrawal of Article 370. Next ideology is a uniform civil code for all people living in country irrespective of religion. Next is the ban on religious conversions. Next ideology is socialism. The BJP believes in Gandhian socialism. The party says that its socialism is inspired not only by Mahatma Gandhi and Jayaprakash Narayan, but also by Deen Dayal Upadhyay. Positive secularism. Next ideology of Bharatiya Janata Party is positive secularism. The party believes in positive secularism, not spreader secularism. The party is against spreader secularism of all other political parties and in favor of positive secularism. Its emphasis on justice for all and appeasement of none. It opposes the political appeasement of a particular sections or particular religion. It treats all religions equally. So this party believes on positive secularism, not spreader secularism. Next ideology is the construction of Ram temple at Ayodhya in site of Ram Janmabhoomi. Next is the recent trend of party is the reformation. The party started reformation ideologies from when it formed government on leadership of Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Narendra Modi. So it gives emphasis of economic reformation, liberalization, market economy and globalization. Next ideology is the political decentralization. It believes in the decentralization of power and decentralization of economic system. Next ideology is a foreign policy centered on nationalist principles. During the BJP government, during the ruling of BJP party in India, the relationship with its other country become better. The foreign policy of BJP governments were successful. Still today it remains successful. Thank you very much. Thank you.